Hello there, 5B. Right, this is a quick video to talk about the task for everyone for this week. So excuse the fact that the date is slightly out of date here. This is an old one, but which I'm reusing, but it's a good investigation. So we talked about the fact that I decided that all numbers have factors. I know you've been looking with Mr. Eric at prime numbers and the fact that they have only two factors, themselves and one, for example. And let's take a number like, say, 10. 10, of course, turns up in it's sort of 1 times 10, and it is, what else is there? There's 2 times 5, and I think that's about it, isn't it? Yeah, I can't think of any others. So, okay, so the factors of 10 we can say are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Now, what mathematicians have noticed is there's some numbers which are equal to the sum of all their factors. What that means is that if you add the factors together, apart from 10 itself, of course, so you have to kind of forget about the number itself. If you add these together, so here you get sort of 1 plus 2 plus 5, 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 5 is 8. So on the table here, so 10 would, the factors would be, get that into focus, 1, 2, 5 and 10, and when you add those ones together, so that should be without the number itself, so we'll get rid of 10, you get the number 8. So numbers where all the factors add together to give you the number itself are called perfect numbers. 6 is an example of this. So for example, if you look at 6, the factors of 6 are 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. So apart from the number itself, that is 1, 2, and 3. Add them together, you get 6. So where the factors add up to make the number, that is called a perfect number. Now, so the task is, can you find any more? Now, so there's perfect numbers. What you also get is you get some numbers where the sum of the factors is less than the number itself. That's called a deficient number. So the number 4, for example, the factors are 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. So when you add those factors together, you get 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 is less than the number we started with. That's called a deficient number. Something deficient is something which is sort of lacking. So for example, 10 here, 1 plus 2 plus 5 is 8, so that would also be a deficient number. It's lacking, it's less than the sum of, the sum of the factors is less than the number itself. You do get numbers as well where the sum of the factors is actually more. So 12, for example, the factors of 12 are 1 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Apart from 12 itself, you add those together, you get 16. So that's called an abundant number. So what I want you to do is go through all of these. You need to write down all the factors apart from the number itself. I'll say that again. Add them together. And is it a perfect number, like 6, a deficient number where it's less than the number itself, or like 12, it's an abundant number? All right, good luck.